is First Alert Weather.
After a busy morning with some showers and storms, these showers and storms have started to move out to the northeast, as you can see on our Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker. And we have a heat advisory for today through 8 p.m., which means you want to stay hydrated and wear loose-fitting clothing because it is going to be hot today. We also have a flood watch that will last through at least Monday at 8 p.m. And that's going to mean that you'll probably want to also have that rain jacket and umbrella. Right now in Topeka, 80 degrees is your temperature. Feels like 84. Dew point values are high in the 70s right now, meaning it's humid. We have a south wind blowing at 9 miles per hour. Current temperatures around the area north of I-70 in the 70s for the part, how ironic, and south of I-70 in the 80s now. And it's going to continue warming up as clouds clear throughout the day. Current dew points right now are in the 70s south of I-70 and in the 60s for the most part north of I-70. And we have the same story for our heat index values, as our heat index values are in the 70s north of I-70 for the most part besides Manhattan. And then south, they're now approaching the mid-80s for the most part as well. Today, we're going to be in the 90s around the viewing area. 94 in Topeka for your high today. 92 in Topeka, 94 in Emporia. 90 in Holton. Will be in the 80s in Seneca and Hiawatha. Wind speeds right now are a little breezy. We have a 21 mile per hour wind speed in Emporia, 17 in Burlington, and 14 in Council Grove, 9 in Topeka, and 8 in Lawrence. Tonight's going to be mild in the low 70s. And as we take a look at our storm risk today, we have a marginal risk for some severe weather that entails the possibility of small hail and the possibility of damaging winds and heavy rain tonight. That's a 1 out of 5. And we do have excessive rainfall outlook that has us in the marginal, and we will have more rain tomorrow as well. And I'll have that tonight in my future cast tonight. Supercast, though, for today, we're going to be clearing out, and then we'll see more activity going into the morning hours tomorrow morning, lasting throughout the day and even into the evening as well, as you can see on our Supercast. And we'll have more activity continuing into Monday morning as well. In total, we'll get close to 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next couple days. And throughout 5 days, we'll get even more as we take a look at our 8-day forecast. Rain lasting through Monday will move from the 90s to the 80s, cooling off a little bit as the rain subsides those temperatures. However, sunny starting midweek, and we'll start warming up once again back into the 90s by Thursday. And we'll also see that trend with our overnight lows going from the 70s to the 60s and back to the 70s with that warming up trend.